Hi friends, my name is Sham and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. So friends, today's our hot topic is how to send money through WhatsApp. It's very simple friends. Everyone have this WhatsApp feature and everyone have simple a bank account which we need to synchronize and send money who is in your WhatsApp contact. So friends, why we late? Let's go start it. Friends, this is the old WhatsApp version which we want to try. There is no facility to send money. I will show you how we get this new feature on our WhatsApp. We nothing do to here friends to unlock your phone, bootloader. These are all not required. Simple steps. I will show you at a time two phones with connected in my PC. One is old version which I shown at right side and another is which is not installed still WhatsApp. I am going to install and shown to you how will work this feature. Simple friends, go to Play Store and type WhatsApp. If you have old version, you may simply update it, then you can get this cool new feature. If you have not installed, then install a fresh version. After this successful install, then simple open WhatsApp, simple agree the conditions, whatever it may be required. See friends, after successfully installed WhatsApp, we need to check here whether this cool feature is available or not. Go to simple friends, click here three dots and press settings. Here friends, the option is appears like payments. Let's resynchronize this. Click on payments, accept the terms and conditions. So friends, after selecting this option, you need to confirm a verify SMS which your bank account has been linked to your mobile number. It will take 2 to 3 seconds and it will automatically show the bank numbers of list and simple select that bank which you have account already. Click that bank account, it will synchronize automatically. Then the home screen will appear like this type friends. When you want to send money with someone which he was have already a WhatsApp with bank account linked, you can simple friends click the attachment icon. See friends, the payment option has been activated. When we look up into that old version, see friends, there is payment option is nothing is there. Simple friends, click here and it will ask the amount. You can send easily. There is no limitation. You can send a 1 rupee to 50,000. So friends, hope you like my video. If you like my video, please press on like button. I will bring you a latest technological updates on this channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye friends.